Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video of the KSCRAFT July 2025 release. Thank you KSCRAFT for sending me this design team package. You can find all these metal die sets at KSCRAFT Aliexpress. It's not available on Amazon yet. I will put the link once it becomes available. And you could also find inspiration on these three handles here. And let's get started. This first one is the 2025 Halloween shadow words. So all of these metal dies are Halloween themed. I'm just so excited to show you all my projects because I love Halloween. So this 2025 Halloween shadow words has some really cute sayings. It has creep it real, happy haunting, witch please. If you got it, haunt it, trick or treat. If the broom fits, fly it. So yeah, there's so many sayings and it's so cute. And next up we have this mixed witch hats and has various sizes, probably small, medium, large, and also different styles. One is like pointy and the other one of top of the hat, it has it curled like just like that. And it looks like they're stitched. So it's really great on any characters you have. You could place them on top of their head and make them look like witches. Yeah, super fun. And next up we have these heart spider web shakers, and these are just so pretty. I love how they're like spider web kind of design on it, and it's like a heart shaped, so it's pretty cute. And here we have some poison bottle shakers. There's two sizes. It comes with a tag and also the cork stopper on top. So it's pretty cute and I'm looking forward to making this. So there's two sizes, I think I mentioned. I don't remember. Yeah, and small and big. And here we have tombstone shakers, and there's two sizes, and it comes with the spider web, and there's a crow here and a cross, and also I think there's something else here too. Not really quite sure what it is. Let me see. Oh, it says RIP. There's a RIP here. Yeah, it's really neat. So there's so many different choices, and I just love how there's little small embellishments for you to decorate the tombstone, and it's also a shaker too. So that's a bonus, I think. And so next up we have witch bows, and the witch bows, these witch bow, I think they're also called witch bow hats or witch hat bows on the website on AliExpress. So yeah, so it has a small here and a large one, and it comes with these bows that you could put on to the witch hat, and it has the buckle here, so it's really cute. And next up here we have the Halloween lollipop. I think this is really cute, and it comes with, like, you know, the little veins on the eyes and on the eyeball, so it's like really realistic looking, and it comes with the iris in the middle too, and a pumpkin, also a bat, as well as let's see what else there is for these lollipops. There's a ghost as well, and the ghost has a face on it, so, and as well as the pumpkin. So I'm just like, this is so cute. I love it. And so next up we have this candy bar wrapper, and this candy bar wrapper is for your like chocolates. You could put like other things inside, other snacks, and give it for gift giving. It's like a really pretty wrapper, candy wrapper. And this goes in the front, which looks so amazing with some bats. So yeah, awesome. And now we have some mini Halloween tags, and these mini Halloween tags is really awesome because it also comes with the stamps, so you can put some kind of sentiment on the tags, and the tags come with a pre-punched hole there. And so there's a ghost, a tombstone, pumpkin, star, and just one tag that looks like this. And this one, let's see what this one looks like. I'm not really quite sure what this one is. This one here, it's just like a droplet, like a poison droplet. So yeah, that's what it is. And the different sayings are drink me, eat me, boo, eek, R.I.P., rip, and then candy, poison, caution, beware, brew, 31st, and a skeleton. So there's many options for the stamps. And here we have some ghost pumpkins. The ghost pumpkins. Here we have, I believe, 4 styles, yeah, and they're all different sizes. There's a short one, a medium short one, and then taller ones. And yeah, it's kind of neat because it's like a combo of a ghost and a pumpkin. And then next up we have these spooky bag toppers, big. And so these spooky bag toppers, big. We have, let's see. Yeah, there's a big size and a small size ones. So, and they also have like the reverse of the backside, so you can make the backside of the topper now. So yeah, so you see the spooky here, and then it's like a spooky backwards, the mirror image. So it's awesome if you want to decorate both sides of your topper. And it's really cute because they're like ghosts, and their eyes, they're like looking this away or that away, and they're wearing, and you can make them wear those like hats that I had before, like way before. Here are these ones. You can put the hats on top of the ghosts, and the ghosts are, it's like making yeah, it's just really cute, and it says spooky. So there's a small and a big one. And next up we have this Frankenstein mini album. This Frankenstein mini album has like 2 styles, I believe. So you can make it into a guy or a girl. So yeah, so many different ways you can make it, you know. So it's like really cute. The girl one has like a hair that's like really pointy and tall. And here we have a coffin tag loaded pockets, and this coffin tag loaded pockets come with these edges, spiderweb edges, which is really unique and fancy looking. And there's one that's another one here that's like ruffled, so and it has like different diagonal layers. So these loaded pockets are like different compartments, so it's really neat. I can't wait to show you what it looks like. And it also has this bat hole for your ribbons, or for hanging onto like one of your like display units. And you have those hooks on the something like this, and then you can just like, you know, put your tags and hang them up like that. And so like a pegboard or something. So, and it has like a reinforcement for the bat hole, so it's really cool. And next up we have these spiderweb garlands, and it's just awesome how there's so many, and there's like bigger ones and smaller ones, and yeah, it's really awesome. And here we have Halloween heart hands. Isn't this so cute? And it has this like dirt that and it's like the hands are coming out of the dirt. It's like a zombie hands, and then they're making a heart-shaped hand like this, and it's like really funny. And yeah, I can imagine how like this looks so like spooky. And now we have this, and I like how it has this part here, it's included, and yeah, and the dirt has some details on there, and it's stitched as well. In here we have a coffin purse box. This coffin purse box is really cute, and you can also make it into just like a normal 3D box coffin, so you don't have to make it into a purse. And there's two doors you can open like this, and or you can open it up on top. So it's really interesting, and I can't wait to make something like this. I think it'll fit one of those felt skeleton dolls. So I'm gonna try to see if it fits in there. It'll be like so neat. And then next up we have this Halloween book add-on, and so it's an add-on to the book die, the bigger one. And so I think this is so cool. It has a candle, it has like this like the snake, and there's a longer snake and an eye, and there's some words here too. The words say twist the bones and bend the back. So yeah, there's that there. And yeah, and there's these like little stitching lines to make it look rustic. So, and yeah, so it's so cool. And last we have this Halloween ghost rosette, which is really awesome. You can make it into different sizes. So it has these really cute ghosts holding hands. Yeah, and you can layer them, make two different size rosettes and layer them on top of each other, and it's really cool. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.